welcome. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good to have us again on this call. Very quickly, I was last week based on the trade we gave you guys. I hope you all milk it. You have made money with those trades. So, if in case you missed them, I would advise you to go and watch this video that's popping up around this stuff and then see how our market outlook has always been awesome. This is what we do here. We come here on Sundays and analyze the markets, give the direction we are looking up for the next week, and of course, our students trade with us, and everybody make money. That is it. It's all about win-win. It's all a win-win of a thing. Let's win together. Let's make the money together, and let's flex together. So for this new week, this is what the pairs that we'll be looking out for, and we want you guys to follow us through. As a matter of fact, CADJPY is already buying. Right, I did a video where I got a sniper entry in 7 1 year, and it has done about 110 pips already. As a matter of fact, I am still holding firmly. I'm still holding strongly because I'm hoping to opt out 7 1 year. Why? Let me show you. So after I opt out here, I should expect this correction to last for a little while. After then there should be a move for a short. That's why I'll be looking for a short around this point. Yeah, why do I say so? Let me show you from a bigger time frame. So I'm looking for a short around here. The last time market was here, it stopped here and we shorted. So it's coming is here again. So if I expect it, you expect it. Aside from that, somewhere around here too, we stopped here and we short. So I'm expecting a short word to come somewhere around here. You can see, and this place is what is a strong level. Of course, that's where I took my buy, took my long. So that is for that, guys, on CSF JPY. Also, my bet, I'm looking at this baby as well. It's GDP I'm looking at GDP USD. I'm looking around the sell on this. Right? I'm looking to short. I'm looking to short this. Let me show you from a bigger time frame. Of course, you should all know that we start our analysis from what? From some analysis from daily. Sometimes we check into weekly and see the movement, so we can see, so we can have what we call top-down analysis. We do top-down analysis here. So in case you're just joining for the very first time, please I want to urge you, please and please kindly subscribe to this channel so you can learn much more, because we break down for us in a simplest and easiest way you can ever see. We break down for us, and also if you are not in our community, you can join. Look at the link around this video and join this community, because we do have a lot of education specs, daily signals on our community. The what we did last week, just this very week, we told out about 23 trades and we won all. We have been having winning streaks for about 3 weeks now. The winning streak have been crazy because market conditions has adjusted. If you notice, months ago or 2 months, market challenges was somehow okay. August was still a bit okay. I think entering into early September and then early September and the middle was quite crazy. If you're a trader, you should know what I'm talking about. So it was quite crazy. So after then, you probably sometimes we lose one or two out of those three, sometimes in a week out of our 20 something trades. But this week we have been having a crazy striking winning strike, and it's crazy and unbelievable. So I'll be looking at this baby here on the sell. I expect it to come back to this point. You don't know why we are here. We sell. Last time we saw here Tuesday. If you come back to this point, it's the third time, I might decide to want to short or someone, because we have resistance here. We have another resistance here. Let me show you. Some people call it resistance, some people call it demand and supply zone. So we have another one here. So we have another one here. This is the third one. So if it comes on 1 year or year, I will be sure. Let me show you. So I'll be looking out for the shot. Remember, I should tell you, it's not about coming there and then I will shoot. No, it will come there. It will confirm to us that I'm going to short. It will show what we call candlestick confirmation. If you need those candlestick confirmation that we use to trade as our strategy, comment below now. We can send it to you as a mail. Am I talking? So it must show that I've exhausted this buy, and then price correction has started. I'm about to move. So this is time to shoot, Mr. Sam. We are go ahead and shoot. It must show us something like that. Candles must show us confirmations. Candles must show us some pointing. I told you that candles speaks a language. Once you see it, you understand that this language is speaking. This language is still a buy market. You see, it's still buying. If you want to enter the market immediately, and just come and buy. And it might even take away this one and stop here, say, or stop here, or stop here. So the sale can happen around here. or yes, for a year. But we're just anticipating that it may stop here or here 1 year. That's it. So that is for that on GDP USD. Aside from that, I'll also be looking at EURJPY. I'm looking at a sell as well on this EURJPY as well. I think all market today are just selling. This new week will be selling. So the last time we were here, we short. We still came here, we shorted. Last time we were here, so something happened around there. So there's a strong zone around this point. So I'll be looking at a short at this baby here, at the shot of this baby. I'm looking at the shot of this baby here. Can you see? So I think I took this trade as well, and I have not closed them. I still have 21. I have like about 3 to 4 accounts. Is it 4? Yeah, but I'm trading on none of these stuffs, and I have not closed any of them. I got a sniper into. If you want to watch the video where I got a sniper into, please go and watch it. It's above there. Above around this video, just go and watch it where I got a sniper into. Yeah, and then it has done about 70 pips already. I believe you should give me 150 to 120 pips. So I'm holding to probably somewhere around year. Somewhere around year. I'm hoping that it comes to somewhere around year, then I can we are looking to somewhere around year or somewhere around year or middle or around the middle year. So I can be looking to short this baby as well. So that is three. This is my fourth trade. It's our fourth one. The fourth one is I think Euro AUD. Let me show you. This is not too clear. This is not too clear for me, but see, the EURJPY ones are still enough. This is not too clear for me. It's also good. The last time we were here, this is the last high we ever had, and then we have a lot of candidation here. So this place is a strong zone here. So I'm looking at, can you see this place is strong zone? This point, this place is strong. So I'm looking at it to come back to that zone with a confidential, with a certainty of reversal. Not just coming there and they are able to short. No, coming around here, the certainty of reversal. To be sure that I want to reverse. Let me show you on the weekly how this is so this looks so possible. Okay, can I see something there? Okay, I can't see anything there. Okay, it's possible you can see this some information of stock. You can see the come it take away this low, then this is high, then the possible shock is equal this low or take away this low, and still come here. So it's a formation, it's still a good formation of short market. I don't expect it to stop here. It might want to stop here and go. It might stop here and go, but if it comes here fully, that's when I'll be more confident in taking this baby. Okay, I'm more confident in taking baby, and I will short. And then that's the fourth one. So let me. The last was not the least is which one again? Which one again? Yeah, this baby. GDPJPY. This baby. You can see my trend line, one bounce, second bounce. I'm setting a third bounce around here. Around here. Let me draw my stuff and show you. I'm entering a turn line around here. Around here. Then once it comes here and give me confirmation, I'll be more willing and confident to short. Remember, it must give you three things. It must give you some more further confirmation, not just coming back, not coming there, coming to that place alone. It must show a confirmation that is ready to short, and we should go ahead. You will speak to me. The language, the candlestick speaks language, and you must speak to me. Understand? I'm ready to short. Now you can go in. These are how you get snipers. How you get snipers and everything. I always told you guys if you are the kind of trader you are good with analysis or somehow good, and perhaps you're still losing or anything, or you haven't drawn down all series of thoughts here. Is what you need is what we call candlestick confirmations and some other amounts, some technical knowledge. So if you want to get that for free, you can look at our link in the description below, or look at this video and comment on this video, or join our community. We'll teach you all of those things for free. We have a lot of stuff we're doing at the moment. Now we even have our VIP going for free, all for free. You have access to 5 to 10 good signals. So if you are not on our community, you are missing a lot. If you're watching this right now and you're not on our community, I will urge you right now, comment on this session, or look at the link around this video, or chatting about support, or chat me up anyone, or send me a mail. We'll add you to the VIP for free. Yeah, right now you're having a VIP. We don't want to give sell signals. We are giving out for you for free, so you guys can make money and be fine and be good. Am I talking? It's close to the end of the year already, so let's everybody enjoy, let's everybody make money. Am I talking somebody? So that is for that one. Is very come here. I will be looking for a good shot, man. I'll be looking for a nice short, a massive short, man, and of course to this point, and then to catch about 1 to 3 or 4 ratio, so risk reward ratio. That is that for that. I hope you learned something. Let me also know what the trade you're looking at for the new week. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful weekend, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. I wish you a profitable week ahead, and bye for now. Peace out.